Hey guys, I saw this like really quick video or like the guide on how to skip the blazing bull in Sekiro, and here this is something I read. But here's how I beat the bull every time. Run far away from the bull. He will always charge his horn at you. This is the part where you parry the bull charge attack. At this point he's stunned. Attack 2 times or throw some firecrackers and repeat. So this is what you want to do, is a really quick way on how you can defeat or like skip the blazing bull Sekiro. And that's pretty much it. So have a great day and goodbye.